At the back of this book, there's a brilliant number line. It counts, shows you the apples, and it tells you the number. That's the label for how many apples there are. Let's see if you can help me. It's very easy because it's in a number line. Let's say the numbers in order. Are you ready? Get your counting finger ready. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Did you say all the numbers to 10? Well, if you look carefully, the farmer and his wife had the right numbers. So here, I'm not sure what that number says, but if you count the number of apples, it will tell you its name. Are you ready? Count the apples with me. Are you ready? 1, 2. So that is number 2. Well done. So I thought maybe we could set up an apple shop. Now, I have my apples that my neighbour brought me. So let's count how many she brought from her tree. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, but I only have 4. And this goes up to number 10. I don't have any red paper at my house, but I do have an old magazine that my Callie doesn't want anymore. So I've ripped some of the pages out and I've squished them. This one even has red on it. Shall we do it together? Are you ready? So get your piece of paper. Are you ready? And squish, 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 squish. Oh, do you like my apple? It's good enough to eat. Do you want to have a bite of my apple? You ready? Oh, they're very delicious. So I've got lots of apples here. Some of them are paper apples. Some of them are real apples. But when I'm counting, it's much easier to put them in a big long line and then you know where they are. Do you like my number line? Can you help me count them? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. What I'm going to go do now is I'm going to show you how to play the game. Are you ready? So I'm going to zoom in on a picture and can you tell me how many apples there are? Are you ready? Welcome to the apple shop. Okie dokie, let's do this one. Can you see? Let's count how many there are. Are you ready? Do you know this number? Is that what you think it is? Let's try counting. 1, 2, 3. I wonder, can you get 3 apples from your apple shop? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 apples in my apple shop. Now you know how to play the game. Go to the next video and I will let you play it. Don't forget, mummies and daddies, you'll need to pause it and then you'll be able to play the game. Are you ready? Have fun!